Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I just have a really quick question. That's why I'm doing this video. As you realize, it's probably pretty short, but I'm in a little bit of a dilemma, and all car guys go through this where you just don't know what to buy, so you ask people. I put up a poll on my Instagram story about like 1 or 2 weeks ago on which rear bumper I should go with, and now about like 30 or 40 people voted on it, and it was literally like 50-50. It was literally 50-50 on it, so that didn't help me at all. So that's why I'm bringing it here to YouTube to see what y'all think. Hopefully it reaches enough people to where I can get a good idea of what y'all think. But if y'all want, follow me on my Instagram here. Got some dope photos by yours truly and stuff like that, so go ahead and follow your boy. But the rear bumpers were between the ISF rear bumper with the diffuser or the Aimgain rear bumper. Now, little quick pros and cons of it. ISF, cheaper, obviously, because you don't have to import it and stuff. Aimgain, a lot more expensive because you have to import it, but it is a lot more unique. Now, I'm not too sure which one I want to go with. They both look really dope. It's just, which one do I want to go with? I'm not too sure. That's why I'm bringing it here. Y'all let me know in the comments down below which one y'all would go with, whether it's the ISF one or the Aimgain one. And in the link in the description, not link in the description, but in the description, I'm gonna tag the IGs of these two owners because both of their builds are super clean. Dang, my light just died, so I'm gonna do this really quickly. But I do have a lot of stuff coming, not coming in, but I do have a lot of more videos that I am going to shoot soon, so be on the lookout for that. Stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah, I apologize for a lack of videos lately. I just came back from a family trip, so I apologize for that, but I'm back, have more content coming. Subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time. Deuces.